All right. So today, we're going to be fixing a bug that I found in the Python VS Code extension. So basically, what happens, the bug is whenever you try to run the debug tests thing, it fails if you're running ZSH, if you're using ZSH as your default shell. Because it says ZSH uh, no matches found, right? Can you guys see? Yeah, you can see. You can definitely see that. Okay. Um, so that's what we're going to be fixing today. Uh, so I've already got the development environment set up over here for the extension, and now the first thing that I got to do is I got to find where in the world in this code makes this happen, right? What makes it so that it gives these arguments, right? Because I need to change this argument so it's surrounded by quotes. That's what the problem is, and that's what I need to fix. So, and the reason that is because ZSH uh, when it detects like a star here or other like regular expressions in the command, it will automatically like filter those for what they would resolve to like files. So if I do like star ls star py, uh, in reality that's just doing this, right? It just expands it out to that. Um, so that's what we're going to be fixing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the project that I have in that other window here, so um, I can test to see if it works, right? What's going on here? What's it complaining about? I don't know. Oh, did it just like try to open this window instead? Okay. Yeah, let's not do that. Um, Open this project. No, I want to do open folder. This one. Okay. All right. So now we've got the project I was working on open here in the test, the testing editor. And now I need to find where it runs the unit tests. So I'm guessing it would be somewhere in here. This looks promising. Visual Studio Pi test launcher. Let's see. Let's see here. This looks like terminal stuff. Don't mind my Discord. Give me one sec. Sorry, I just forgot to put Discord in streamer mode. Where is it? I wish Discord would fix their bugs with Linux, so then I could actually use the desktop client and be able to use all the features. But that is not the case. I can't stay in voice chat for longer than like 30 or so minutes before it crashes, which is unfortunate. Anyway, that's off topic. So this looks like output parsing, yeah? Uh, hmm. see, what does it do? What does the command look like? Maybe we could just search for the string. What? It's not showing up in the console. What's going on? Please use the command python debug unit test. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Debug. Oh, it's supposed to be all tests, but what now? It's not. It didn't. Did it run? What? Did it work? Oh God. Did it work? That's not good. That's really not good. I guess I should have tested to see if I could reproduce it over here before going live. This is embarrassing. So why isn't it? It doesn't seem like it's doing anything here. Yeah, please use the command debug unit tests. Okay, let me try that again. It wants me to use this command. It's not doing anything with my terminal for some reason. It should, right? It does when I do other stuff, right? Does this work? No. No, it doesn't. What's going on? What is going on? It's so weird. Is this a VS Code bug? That would suck. That would mean I have to go fix that before I can fix this. Oh man. I don't know what's happening. Huh. I'm gonna close this and reopen it. Yeah, reopen it. Let's see what this does. I really hope it's not a VS Code bug, and it's just or there's not like a separate VS Code bug that's like preventing me from running stuff. That would suck. It didn't do anything. It didn't do anything at all. What? Oh God. Shit. Well, let's go back here and see if we can reproduce it again. Okay. No, because it opened this one. Okay. Stop it. Open this one. Open a new window. Here we go. See, look. What's going on here? Oh, I think I know. I'm not activating the oh, whoops. Just this one. Yeah, I need to close this, go back here, and open this and this. Okay. It's because I'm not in the right conda environment. What? It's not showing up. What? What's going on? How do I check what environment I'm in? I thought it was supposed to show up here. Okay, that was very strange. I don't know what the deal with that is. Hang on. I think I know what the problem is with that. Yeah, if I do this, uh, see, I modified this today, so I need to fix that. That's a good catch. Let's see. I put that in here, right? I just modified my ZSH theme today to do this, and I need to fix it so that this is greater than. Right? So now, parse near 1. Okay, we're getting sidetracked, but I want to fix this because I'm going to forget about it. Bash check if greater than. I can never remember the syntax for bash stuff. Oh, huh. I wonder if I can just do this instead of having this in quotes. Okay. Parse your error near 1. What? That's weird. That's strange. Just do greater than 1, like that. I thought you could do that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Fixed. Okay. So now let's try this again. Okay. Actually, this won't work. I need this to be set. There we go. So now I can test it again, see if it works. So in order to do that, I need to run this again, and please open the, it's not opening the terminal. It's not opening the terminal. That's weird. Does this work? No. What's going on? I'm going to close this and reopen it with the debugger attached. And maybe it'll work then. I don't know. We recommend that you let Python extension change the terminal integrated inherent environment to false in your user settings. Oh. Yeah, that would be useful, probably. Okay. Let's see. Run. Right, I keep forgetting. I can't do that for some reason. Okay, it says no test ran. It didn't do anything. Huh. That is very strange. And I don't know what's going on. Does this work at all? Python test log. Okay. this runs the tests, does that, it does that much, but huh. I'm not sure why it's not doing it like before in the other window. What's happening here? I can't open my console anymore. Man, I am just encountering bug after bug. I thought this would be like a quick and easy fix. Turns out that might not be the case, which is unfortunate. Debugger as debug server? No. If, I'm not sure what could be different. Other than, you know, maybe I should restart VS Code again. And let's just do extension, just do the extension. Okay. It's not opening my terminal now for some reason. I think that inherit environment thing messed it up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that as is. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Alright. Well, that was strange. Maybe it'll work now. I kind of hope so. No? It didn't. What the fuck? Not sure what the deal is. Oh, I think this is the file that I'm looking for here. This is, I think this creates the, command and whatnot and, like, puts it in the command line. I think. I hope. But this looks familiar. This definitely looks familiar here. But this isn't quite what I want. I want, this is what gets run. This helps, like, get it running. But I want to find what creates the command to run this thing. So I'm going to put a good old bookmark here. Toggle bookmark there, so we can find it later if we close the tab or whatever. And let's see, where could this be? I imagine it would be somewhere in the JavaScript part. So wherever that is being stored. Testing. Unit test. Runner. Here. This has got to be it. Run test. Server. Setting events. This server start. Run test internal. Test args, filter, Okay, I think this might be what I'm looking for. I'm going to set a breakpoint here, and I'm going to put another bookmark here as well. So I think I know where it is, where in the code I'm looking for this bug, but I can't reproduce it inside of the extension here. This is very strange. I'm not sure what's going on. Let me check the version of the extension here. Can I do that, please? Reload required. Okay. I hope that did something. No, don't do that. So I'm gonna try running the debug all test thing again, and nothing happens. Yeah, what's the version of the Python plugin? Copy 2024 7681. Oh, it hit the breakpoint. Oh. Never mind. Alright, so what does test args have? Yes, this is exactly what we're looking for. So, I need to take, I need to detect if, actually, I don't need to detect anything. I should just surround these arguments with quotes. So I'm going to do that. Let's see. Test args dot map arg arg dot replace. Oh, and can I replace regex? Can I replace by regex? That would be nice. I don't know if I can. Whatever. I just want to see if this works though. So I'm going to say replace equals with equals quote and then plus quote at the end. Right? What is it complaining about? Okay, it's complaining about that. And this is complaining about preferred template. What does that mean? Oh, preferred template strings. Gotcha. Convert to template string. And that's good. Yeah, reload required. Let me reload. Actually, let me restart it, I think. Did it restart? I don't know. Okay. So now if I should probably put this down further down, but I just want to see if this works. Test args. Yes, it does. It does replace the arguments appropriately. Now, that's kind of a hacky fix, in my opinion. Let's see if we can find where the source of these test args are being created. So let's see where. Okay, so it's coming from this build args function. And I'm going to surround that with quotes. And I'm going to comment that out temporarily. Build test args. So let's see what does this do? Perfect. I just need to add quotes here. And that should fix the runner. I hope. Pretty sure it does. And this one should also be surrounded with quotes, just to make sure. Okay. Next, I need to get this to work so I can actually test it. I don't know why it's not working. It's a mystery. I'm gonna close this window again and close this. What's going on here? What's happening? Why is the breakpoint? Okay. I thought the breakpoint wasn't going away for some reason. Let me run the extension again. Okay. Nothing out of the ordinary so far, I don't think. Let me change the virtual environment, maybe. It did nothing. I don't know what's happening. How do I view like the console output for this thing? Let's see. Let's go to Python log. Okay. Okay, it's running pylint. and it's running. It looks like it's running unit tests. What? What is going on here? Why doesn't it do the same thing? I have no idea. Where does this script come from? Where does this come from? Let's take a look. Where does this come from? Discovery service. So this script is in here. That is a bit strange, in my opinion. But I suppose it's a reasonable workaround. But, Internal Python. What is that? Internal Python. Python. Exec code. Huh. See, the confusing part is I have breakpoints here, and they should be getting hit because the tests pass, I believe. Like that, I know if I run the tests like I normally would, it would work. What's it analyzing in the background? I don't know. What does this say? What happens when I do this? Whoa. Is this old output? I need to get rid of that. What happens here? Is something wrong with my runners? Are these outdated or something? Because last time I checked, like, these were valid. Oh, what happens if I do internal console? What does that do? I'm kind of stumped here. I think I have a fix, but I have no way to test it. This is bad. Am I missing anything from the instructions, the contributing instructions for this thing? Hope not. Let's see, contributing guide. Oh, did I not publish this issue? Whoops. Haha. Okay. I guess I need to remove some of this output. But I don't think any of this log is necessary, so I'm just gonna remove it. Yeah, if it's needed later, I can provide like a paste bin or whatever, but if it's not needed, it's not needed. I don't think it's needed. Crystal, type unnecessary. I can never spell unnecessary or necessary at all, ever. It's literally impossible for me. Okay, so let's go back to here. Setup. I did that. I did that. I did that. I did that. And I did that. Huh. So I can run a debug and then select extension. Yep, I can confirm that works. Testing Python scripts. I don't think that's what I want. Debugging the Python extension debugger. The easiest way to debug the Python debugger. Oh, I see what this means. Okay. Okay. So I think I might want to launch it with that instead. So I'm going to click there and run it like that. And maybe it'll work. No tests ran. Debug test method. See, okay, I can verify that it detects the tests, right? Because it shows up in the list here. But if I try to run the test that I need to, it just does nothing. I don't know what the deal is. Python test log. Okay, let's clear that and clear that. Debug test method. This is type. Okay, now we can see what that runs. Oh, I think I know what it's doing. It's doing this to discover the tests, and then it's using that to know which test to run by its ID or whatever. See, I don't think this is what we're looking for. But not really seeing where this is occurring. I'm not really sure where to go from here. Python VS Code Python debug tests. Maybe there's something wrong with my current configuration or setup or something. I'm not really sure. Run Python file in terminal. Okay. It's something. No test ran. Please check the configuration settings for the test. But that's dumb. Why is it not doing this? Ooh. Invalid integer value. Okay, that's interesting. So I guess we can't do it for this one. Oh, I could have sworn you could. Okay, so now can I like reload this or something? I think that restarted it. I'm not sure. Run current test file. No test ran. What does it say? Is this correct? Like, can you do that? I thought you needed a space there. I could have sworn you needed a space there. Let's try it out and see what it does. Let's add a space here. Oh, I need to reload or something. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Run current test file. No test ran. Why? Why? That's so weird. It didn't add the space. What? Where does -t occur in other places? I bet it'd be followed by $. Test paths. Ah, okay. Let's try this again. Reload. And run current test file. Run current test file. No tests ran. Huh. Oh, what? Why is it putting quotes around that? It shouldn't be doing that, should it? Jeez. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think it should be putting quotes around that. I don't know why it's doing that. I didn't put quotes there. Was that automatic? Did it like do that automatically? Hmm. Let's reload. Try it again. Wait for it to finish doing its like startup or whatever. Okay. You run the current test file, and no test ran. Again. And this time it doesn't have quotes. That's so weird. It's very strange. I'm very hungry. So let's see. I'm not sure why it's adding quotes, but I don't think we need to worry about that. Let's remove this. Actually, let's just go ahead and stash our changes and see if it fixes itself. Kinda hope it doesn't. Because I mean, the fix we did was not valid. Okay. Now, we can run it again, and it's gonna fail. I guarantee it. No! No, it didn't. Okay. That is not good. That sucks. That sucks. If I do this, does it run the test? No test ran. Okay, that's dumb. Discover test. Okay. It can discover the tests, but it can't run them? Like, what? What is going on? Okay, now it's running the tests. But it can't run it in debug mode for some reason. I don't know why. Well, that sucks. I think that could have been a problem, maybe? I don't know. Could it? Are we putting quotes around too many options that we don't need to? Let's reload. Okay. Well, should have waited. Whoops. Ah, this is different. This is different. This is different. That's good. Maybe. Maybe you need to let it finish loading or whatever. Yeah, now it's not doing that again. I think I just ran it too early. This is unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. That was... I thought that would work. That apparently that doesn't. That also sucks. Okay. Um. Huh. Apparently there are more problems with this than I thought there would be. So let me just. I'm gonna check again without our changes. I'm gonna try running it again. I'm gonna try doing the exact same thing I was doing. Just run debug all tests. Okay, so it discovers all the tests properly. And if I go into here, do debug all tests. Well, it didn't run anything. It didn't do anything at all. Toggle developer tools, console. Okay, what's over here in the console? Oh man, what is that about? Okay, let me try this again. Error timeout of the 1000 milliseconds. Wow. Oh shit. I don't know. What? Did that just kill my thing? No, it didn't, but... Hmm. Hmm. Raw debug session. Um... Hmm. Not really sure what's happening. There's not really much else to say other than that. I repeat myself a lot. Hmm. This might be a VS Code bug as well, and that would suck. I'm gonna pull open VS Code, the repo. Check out master get remote. Oh, get remote add upstream. Get fetch upstream. Here we go. Look at all them changes. That's awesome. Alright. Get pull upstream master. Okay. Now I can search in here for run debug session. I think it was raw debug session, and it was in uppercase. Raw debug session. Export class raw debug session. Okay. Handle. Handle error response was the function it was calling. Oh wait, it's right here, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to try running this one. And what? What are you talking about? Did they change how you're supposed to run VS Code? Ooh. Yep. Gotta wait for this again. I used pull because it merges, it does a merge instead, and because I don't commit anything to the master branch, it won't create like a merge commit. I mean, I guess you could do a rebase. Welcome to my stream, by the way. That's not good. Yeah. So what I'm working on is fixing a bug in the VS Code Python extension, where if you're running ZSH, it won't run the tests. It's number 1156.2 on GitHub. and basically I'm trying to reproduce it. I'm trying to reproduce this issue in the extension host version of VS Code, and it's not working, and I don't know why. It's giving me this error timeout after 1,000 milliseconds, but it doesn't like show anything in the UI, which is really strange, and I don't know why. If I just run debug all tests, it gives me this error timeout thing in the console. But if I close this window, close, yeah, and then, oh, no, I didn't want to do that, actually. I get confused. If I go back here to where I was experiencing the problem, you know, in my normal VS Code, this, I can reproduce it, right? Hey man, I don't like Windows either, but like I'll be damned if Microsoft can't make a good IDE. Okay. Debug all tests. And here, it's supposed to... What is happening? It just fixed itself, magically. It just magically fixed itself. Oh my god, I'm gonna go insane. Maybe it did. I don't know what happened. I could have sworn that I had my extensions up to date and everything. I'm gonna exit out of VS Code and update. I'm just gonna do that real quick. Because it was telling me there's an update. So that might be the problem. Am I a Python developer? I wouldn't say that. I do a lot of things. Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily say I'm limited to Python. Like if you've seen my other streams, then I was working on web dev the other day. Oh. Whoops. That doesn't matter. All I wanted to update was VS Code anyway. So yeah, what is the latest version of this extension? I don't know. Where is the page? No, that's not what I want. I want the extension page. Yeah, here. Does it say what the latest version is? 76, 186. Okay. And I'm using 76, 186. Okay. Whew. I haven't wasted a bunch of time yet. So that's, okay. Let's open this back up. What happened? I think it didn't reinstall VS Code properly, or it didn't put it back in my path. That's weird. Just having all kinds of problems today. Like I thought I was prepared this time. Like I got like the dev environment set up before I started streaming. You know, so I could just jump into the problem. Like I found the problem before the stream started. Like I thought I was prepared this time. Oh yeah, there we go. It says setting up code. Yeah, I guess it didn't set up the packages after it failed to do that. Uh, are all of your problems related to Microsoft? No. No. Most of my problems stem from being able to do stuff easily on Windows but not on Linux. That stuff that's like not developer stuff, because developer stuff is easy on Linux. Like it's so easy to do like development work on Linux. But like if you try to do anything else, it's not exactly convenient. I've been looking for like a good video editor for Linux, but I haven't really like settled on anything yet, because most of the stuff doesn't seem like it's like super usable. You know, it's just stuff like that. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. Run with the extension. Come on. This is taking a bit. There we go. Okay. Now, if I run it... Oh, right, I gotta wait more for it to, like, load completely. But, so the problem I was having before was it wasn't popping up like one of the integrated terminals here to run the tests like it does, like it did for the other window, right? For just normal VS Code. And I don't know what the problem is. Does like VS Code like change how like their runners get run depending on like the context? Because if so, that would be really annoying. Oh, now I'm getting a console here. Look at that. Look at that. So I do debug all tests. The same thing happens. Okay, so there's something going on between this window of VS Code and the one that I open up here. Oh, right. I have to close this one. Just to make sure that it's still happening here. Okay, debug all tests. And it opens the debugger thing. It opens the debug console. Although it's not running it in the terminal here. Huh. Hmm. Let's try it again over here. I'm running around in circles here, but I don't know what else to do. I'm not getting any clues as to what the problem is exactly. So what happens when I make sure it's loaded all the way? Yeah, it looks like it. If I do this, nothing happens. What does the debug console say here? Maybe it's because I'm not in the correct, like, environment or something. Let me try putting it in here. And then run it and see what it says. Okay, it says running tests. No tests ran. That's ridiculous. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know what could possibly be the problem. Maybe it's like my config is messing with it, like, I don't know. How do I view the JSON config? There we go. Python, Jedi enabled, diagnostic source maps enabled, Pylint enabled. Gosh, I am not sure what is happening. This is very frustrating, to say the least. I'm about to give up because the reason I wanted to fix this is gone. I guess I'll just post here. using the extension using VS Code and the extension from Git. Is this already fixed? Okay, that works. Something. Please work with me here. Language client is not yet ready. That's different. I don't believe that showed up before, did it? Yeah. What the fuck is going on here? Language client is not yet ready. Oh man, this is a great bug report right here. Okay. Okay. I don't know why this isn't working. It is over there. I'm going to try closing this and reopening VS Code over here without like the extension from Git, and just see if this works. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Even though I've tried this multiple times, I'm just running around in circles because it is all I can do at this point. Yeah, it's not a problem. Oh my god. What happened? What happened? I don't know what happened. It was broken earlier, and then I tried to fix it and it fixed itself. But this gotta still be a bug, right? Like, I can't... I don't... I don't know. I feel like I'm losing my mind. The VS Code is like pranking the shit out of me. You know what? I'm going to unstash my changes and just kind of guess at what should work and make the pull request. As bad as that sounds. Add quotes around some arguments. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this and make the pull request. Because at this point, I can't reproduce. I don't know what was causing it to do that before. It's so strange. But I don't know. Has sufficient logging. Title summarizes what is changing. Yes. For number 1156.2 has a news entry. No. Let me fix that, I guess. Where is that news? Am I blind? I think I'm blind. Oh yeah, I am blind. Okay. Fixes for this one. Has a news entry. How do I make a news entry? Like, what's the format here? README. Our change log is automatically generated from individual news entry files. This alleviates the burden of having to go back and try and figure out all what changed from the release. Okay, I guess I just say the number here. I don't know. Edge case where debugging tests would fail if the default shell was ZSH. and the test pattern contains a star. And that should be it. Has a news entry. Pull request represents a single change. I should actually do that. Are required around paths and other strings, because if ZSH is parsing the command, it will see the star. It will see star as a regular expression and try to evaluate it to all the files in the current working directory. Yep. Has telemetry for enhancements? No. Test plan is updated as appropriate. What is that? Test plan. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is long. This is very long. Holy crap. Yeah, I don't think that's necessary. Not applicable, so yeah. And there. Let me put these in that commit. Yep. Create pull request. Kind of hope this doesn't fail. That would suck. I don't know what was going on. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully that'll be fixed faster than this is getting fixed. Because I also want to fix this, but I've received no instructions on where to go to do that. But I think I might have seen where to fix that, so we could probably do that another day. I've been streaming actually not too long, but I think I'm gonna head out anyway after this finishes. Um, ooh, what's this bot? Sonar Cloud. What's this bot? Yeah, what does this do? Let's check this out. Huh. Okay. How does it define code smell? Like, what does it think that a code smell is? That's a concern that I have. Uh, duplications, that's cool. That's pretty cool. That's actually very cool. Um, helps you keep your code dry. Coverage, yeah, whatever. Uh, two bugs. How do you like automatically detect bugs? How do you manage to do that? That seems suspect to me. It seems too good to be true. $8K code smells. Okay. But like I don't know. What is the goal here? I'm gonna see some examples here. Coding error. It will break your code and it needs to be fixed immediately. What can I like see what these are? What add th headers to this table? Ooh, okay. Okay. So it does like validation or something. Add a description of this table. Okay. Add either an ID or a scope attribute to this th tag. Okay. Okay. So that's like an accessibility thing. Okay. I see. What about other languages? Uh, what what about other languages? What about non-web dev languages? What can it detect for that? Can it show me that? Status, security category, creation date, language here. Java, maybe. Null pointer exception could be thrown. Okay. 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 This is pretty cool. Actually, I'm rather surprised. Huh. What else is here? Code smell. Make list transient or serializable. I like how they say why is this an issue? Because sometimes this stuff is not obvious. Like you just do something and you don't think it's a problem. Fields in a serializable class must themselves be either serializable or transient, even if the class is never explicitly serialized or deserialized. Oh. For instance, under load, most J2EE application frameworks flush objects to disk, and allegedly serializable objects with non-transient, non-serializable data members could cause program crashes and open the door to attackers. Huh. I didn't know that. That's a very cool fact. That's a fun fact right there. Rename this field df to match the regular expression. What? I'm not sure what this is trying to say. Static, non-final field name should comply with an... Oh. Never mind. I'm not reading this. I'm reading this. Oh, okay, so that's their naming convention. Okay. Never mind. I understand now. I'm just slow. Okay, so this is interesting actually. I didn't know about this thing before. I might have to check this out. Try using it in some of my own projects. Maybe it'll be good. It'll be useful. Maintainability, 1 hour new debt. Added technical debt. So what is technical debt? How does it define technical debt? That's how does it know what technical debt looks like? There's no possible way. Maybe it's just like a sum of all the code smells and like an approximation of... Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's like an approximation. That which makes sense, I suppose. Damn, I wonder if I can just analyze my project without having to log in, because I'd like to analyze Open Together too. That would be cool. I want to try it. Okay, can I say... Okay, my projects. Analyze new project. Let's do only this one. Okay, create organization, whatever. Each new push on your default branch will trigger new analysis automatically. Each pull request you create will automatically be analyzed. That's pretty cool. This is actually pretty convenient, like, setup. Not gonna lie. It's definitely taken a bit here for these tests to finish validating. Let's see, what is it saying here? A few more details on Azure pipeline. Well, it's still building. Huh. 10% duplications. Duplicated lines. Wait, did actually though? Like, no, that's garbage. That's garbage. This, yeah, I can see 50% repeated lines with the Google Drive player. Yeah, definitely. Definitely that. I should merge those two together. The API spec. Well, yeah, because it's a unit test. Like, I mean, I guess you could dry it out a little bit, make it a little less repetitive. Duplicated by. Huh. This isn't exactly like readable, like very easily, in my opinion. It's kind of hard to tell what lines are duplicated and what lines aren't, in my opinion. Info extractor 3%. That's what I'm talking about. This is probably the best file in the whole project. If I had to pick one that I was most proud of, I'd say it's this one. Yep. Okay. Maintainability. 20 code smells. Here we go. Result is already declared in the upper scope. Yeah, I can see that. This branch's code block is the same block for the branch on 2021. Yeah, it is. But this isn't... I wouldn't call this a code smell. Because the ID for a Google Drive file could change, and I'd have to change the regular expression here. I don't know. Doesn't seem like a big issue to me. It's definitely not a major issue. Is there a way to, like, say that this is not a code smell? Resolvers won't fix. This is actually kind of cool. Because Google Drive file IDs or YouTube video IDs could change, and this is already organized. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't make it, like, go away, but I don't know. Result is already cleared in the upper scope. Yeah. I can see that being a problem. I think it confused me a couple times, not gonna lie. Okay, so it's mostly just stuff already being declared. Where is this happening? What? Where is URL being used up here? What? I have no idea. Unexpected empty source. What? Remove this commented out code. Oh yeah, true. Okay. Oh cool. It detects commented out code. That's actually very cool. That is very cool. Yeah, this is an issue. I don't know why this is the case. I don't know why I have to do this, but I have to do this. For some reason. It just doesn't work otherwise. I don't know why. I have to import the file itself inside of the file. It's stupid. Not an issue. Resolve as reviewed. This is not an issue. Because these are tests. These are tests. They do not need to be anything more than hard-coded. At least for these tests. Make sure that using a regular expression is safe here. Evaluating regular expressions against input strings is potentially CPU-intensive task, specifically crafted to regular expressions, such as a plus s will take several seconds to evaluate the input string. What? What, really? Does it actually? I want to see if that's true. Whoa, it does. It does. It does take a long time to run. That's so weird. The time required to evaluate the regex, every time an A character is added, the time required to evaluate the regex doubles. However, the equivalent regular expression, A plus S, without grouping, is efficiently evaluated in milliseconds and scales linearly with the input size. Huh. Interesting. Although I don't think this is an issue here. I don't know. It could be. It could be. No. Although I should probably move it somewhere else. Honestly, it should detect this as a code smell. This is a very cool tool. This is a very cool tool. $30 to fix the info extractor? Didn't that have the least amount of whatever? I don't know. Huh. What is technical debt here? Oh, it's just this is blank. Okay. Whatever. Duplicated blocks. The info extractor spec has a lot of duplications, but yeah, it's like it's a test. It's a test file. It's well, I mean, ideally, I suppose ideally you shouldn't have repeated code in any of your code, and like including your tests and whatnot. But this is fine. This is actually higher than I was expecting it to be. Honestly. Hmm. Analysis scope. Enable summary comment in the conversation. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, this is a pretty cool tool, not gonna lie. Ooh, get project badges? Yeah. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna copy that. Put it in the GitHub right now. Perfect. it's analyzing it again. Just from that one little change. Yeah. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Super can only be invoked once. Yeah, and it's only invoked once. I don't see the problem here. Well, it's because it's inside of a branch. Like it's inside of an if branch that it's not detecting it. But this only runs once. Like, I don't know. That's definitely a bug with this sonar cloud thing. It's not a me bug. That's a you bug. Okay. Yeah, that's a pretty cool tool. Shit. This failed. What happened here? Okay, well it failed some of the tests. How do I see what failed? Bash exited with code 1. Ensured unit test. Okay, copy that, and let's search for what. You didn't actually copy that. You copied the link to the line. That's stupid. Okay, sweet. Discovery against actual Python process. Expect to see only one test run in the summary for test run. Hang on. How do I run the unit tests? How do I run the unit tests? You gotta know that. Where is it? Contributing guide here. Okay. Was that in... Maybe just... this. Let me just do this instead. Grep equals that. What do you mean you can't find that? Is this like an integration test or something? I don't know. What is going on here? Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, this will probably help be able to run the test, because these should all pass except for the same ones on the build server. What? That's lame. You're telling me I gotta close VS Code for this to happen? All my instances of VS Code? Man. Alright. Alright, now we can see it do some magic over here automatically. Yeah. Cool. Ensure Conda is supported. Aha, exec observable should stream output without new lines. What? Oh, that looks like it was skipped, not whatever. Woohoo! Look at that. It's doing automatic stuff. Love love testing. Oh my god, that's trippy. I don't know. Are some of these failing? I can't tell. Does the red mean that it's failing? Because if those are failing, it's not my fault. I've never heard of Jedi before. What is that? This is taking a while. This is taking a long while. Hmm. What's this GitHub notification? What is this about? Oh, it's just this. Okay. Alright. Oh. I don't know why it decreases coverage. I don't think I added any new lines. Did I? I don't remember. Release cycle. Planning is done in 2 weeks sprint. We start at sprint every other Wednesday. You can look at the newest milestones. P1 issues are top priority, and we try to close issues for a nice release. Here we go. 51. Expected to see only one test. Okay. 161 that was on here. I don't know why that's an issue. I don't know why this has changed. I didn't do anything. I don't think. I'm not sure what's going on here. Update setting. Where is that? Here. Okay. Man, I am about done with this shit, man. I am about done with this shit. I am so tired of running around in circles and shit. I don't know if these are actual like failures because of what I changed, because a lot of this stuff seems like it shouldn't change. It seems like it's failing a lot more tests than it actually should. I don't know. Yeah, it's got 53 failing tests. I have no fucking idea where all these failures are coming from. I only changed like 5 lines. And not even that much. I just added quotes. I swear to God. Expected to only see one test run in the summary. Okay. So let's debug the tests. Can we do that? I hope we can do that. Run tests. Let's see if we can see what's happening here. Because if anything's gonna fail, I think it should be this, based on what we changed. And we can see what exactly it is. eventually when it finishes running. This is gonna take a bit. So, how are you guys doing? You guys good? How's quarantine? God damn, these take a long time. I didn't think it was possible for a test suite to take this long. But holy shit. Okay, like all these are failing. Like I don't know what's the deal. Maybe I should check out the other branch or the original master branch and see what's going on there. I'm gonna try that. Is that the right command? Said test multi-workspace, yeah. I hope this makes it go faster. I don't really know if it will. But it could. Or it could just run completely different tests. I have no idea. Thanks for all the follows recently. Got quite a few followers now. Got up to 17. It's really cool to see. I don't know what should I fill this dead air with? Solitaire. Let's play solitaire. Do I have solitaire? I don't think I have solitaire. No, I don't have solitaire. I think I uninstalled solitaire a few years ago. I mean, normally I would use this time to talk with chat, but there's nobody here right now. So... What? No matching bindings. What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Is that a me problem? Is that a it problem? I don't know. That's a typo. And those tests didn't run. I think. I don't know. There's really not much I can do right now while I'm waiting for this. You compiled all the code. Oh, interesting. I don't know. I don't know if this is like valid. Let me go back to the single space thing. And actually, I'm going to cancel that. I'm just... I'm gonna try this again. Cannot find any matches. I don't know. Oh. Ooh. I think I forgot dashes. Yep. I'm a big dumb. Okay, well, that was something. And it found it this time. Inject called with undefined, it means it's command or strictly a dependency problem. I don't know what this means at all. And I'm about to fall asleep. So I'm just gonna leave the pull requests as is. And I'm gonna get feedback on it later, hopefully. It was a good time streaming today. As much sanity as I lost, you know. But you know, shit happens. You know, shit happens. Things don't work out as expected. And I'll update you guys next time on the status of the pull request. Talk to you guys later.